Earlier today, my students and I from Susquehanna, we went up the stream with our electrofishing backpack unit, in which we put a small amount of electricity by a backpack electrofisher into the water. And that briefly stuns the fish with a little bit of low voltage so that we can collect them into buckets and then haul them up the 100-meter section that we sampled, and then we can identify them later. And so it's a very mild amount of electricity. The fish are actually attracted to the electricity, which allows us to get them out from underneath root wads or underneath mud sills and underneath rocks. We work up about 100 meters slowly over the course of the time, netting the fish as we go. So, working with the Union County Conservation District on a project like this, where we have landowners that have come together in one particular stream system, has been a really rewarding experience for our students. They can see firsthand the cooperation that occurs between the farming community, a nonprofit, and governmental agencies such as the North Central Pennsylvania Conservancy, DEP, Fish and Boat, Union County Conservation District, and then how we can intertwine that university research into that public policy as a research component. So it's been a great collaboration that we've had with all those agencies and nonprofits.
Pennsylvania is a beautiful state. Looking around, driving through Pennsylvania, you see all this farmland, but you see all this forest at the same time. That has drove me towards environmental studies in college, because I care about that stuff and I want that stuff to last people a long time.